Rare earth elements are a group of 17 metallic elements. They are found in the Earth's crust. Despite their name, they are not actually that rare. However, they are difficult to mine and process. These elements have special properties. These properties make them essential for many modern technologies. We use them in smartphones, computers, and electric vehicles. They are also used in defense systems like missiles and radar. The demand for rare earth elements is increasing. This is because technology is constantly evolving. As we develop more advanced technologies, we need more rare earth elements to power them. This increasing demand has made these elements very valuable. Countries that control the supply of rare earth elements have a strategic advantage. They can influence the global economy and security. Ukraine is a country in Eastern Europe. It is known for its fertile land and industrial capacity. However, beneath the surface lies another treasure: rare earth minerals. Ukraine has some of the largest reserves of rare earth minerals in the world. These reserves are largely untapped. They represent a significant opportunity for economic development. Among the rare earth elements found in Ukraine are yttrium, which is used in lasers, superconductors, and cancer treatments; neodymium, essential for powerful magnets used in wind turbines and electric vehicles; and europium, used in television screens, energy-efficient lighting, and medical imaging. These minerals have the potential to transform Ukraine's economy. They could provide jobs and generate revenue. However, extracting and processing these minerals requires significant investment and expertise. President Donald Trump recognized the strategic importance of rare earth minerals. He saw an opportunity in Ukraine. He proposed a deal to secure access to these valuable resources. The details of the proposed deal remain unclear. However, it is believed to involve investment in Ukraine's mining sector. In exchange, the United States would gain preferential access to the extracted minerals. This move was seen as a way to reduce America's dependence on China. China is currently the world's largest producer of rare earth minerals. This gives China significant leverage in the global market. Trump's proposal was met with mixed reactions. Some praised it as a shrewd business move. Others criticized it as interference in Ukraine's internal affairs. Securing access to Ukraine's rare earth minerals would have several benefits for the United States. These minerals are essential components in a wide range of advanced technologies, from smartphones to electric vehicles, and even renewable energy systems. Firstly, it would significantly strengthen America's national security. Rare earth elements are indispensable for the production of sophisticated defense systems, including missile guidance systems, radar, and other critical military hardware. Rare earth elements are critical for many defense systems. Without a reliable supply, the United States could face vulnerabilities in its defense capabilities, potentially compromising national security. Relying on a single supplier, especially a geopolitical rival like China, poses a significant risk. Diversifying sources of these crucial materials would mitigate the risk of supply chain disruptions and reduce dependency on any one country. Secondly, it would provide a substantial boost to American innovation. Access to a steady supply of rare earth elements would empower U.S. technology companies to push the boundaries of what's possible in fields like artificial intelligence, robotics, and advanced manufacturing. Access to a steady supply of rare earth elements would be a boon for U.S. technology companies. It would enable them to develop cutting-edge technologies without the constant fear of supply chain disruptions, fostering a more stable and innovative tech ecosystem. It would allow them to develop cutting-edge technologies without fear of supply chain disruptions. This stability is crucial for maintaining the United States' competitive edge in the global technology market. Thirdly, it would create jobs and stimulate economic growth in both the United States and Ukraine. By investing in Ukraine's mining sector, the U.S. can help create thousands of jobs in the country, contributing to its economic stability and growth. Investing in Ukraine's mining sector would create jobs in the country. This would not only benefit Ukraine's economy, but also strengthen the economic ties between the two nations. It would also create jobs in the United States by supporting the manufacturing of high-tech products. The increased demand for rare earth elements would lead to the expansion of manufacturing facilities and the creation of high-paying jobs in the tech sector. In short, securing access to Ukraine's rare earth minerals is a strategic imperative for the United States. It would not only enhance national security but also drive innovation and economic growth, benefiting both nations in the long run. It would strengthen national security, boost innovation, and create jobs. By taking proactive steps to secure these vital resources, the United States can ensure a more secure, innovative, and prosperous future. While the potential benefits of a deal are clear, there are also significant challenges that must be addressed to ensure success. Firstly, the ongoing conflict in eastern Ukraine poses a major obstacle. The region has been a hotspot of military activity, making it a volatile area for any business operations. The region where many of the rare earth mineral deposits are located is unstable and dangerous. This instability not only threatens the safety of workers, but also disrupts the continuity of mining operations. Investing in mining operations in this environment would be extremely risky. The hazardous conditions require significant safety measures and insurance, which can drive up costs. Secondly, extracting and processing rare earth minerals requires substantial investment and technical expertise. The technology needed for efficient extraction and processing is both expensive and complex. Ukraine's mining sector is in need of modernization. Much of the existing infrastructure is outdated and the equipment used is often old and inefficient, which hampers productivity. Attracting the necessary investment and expertise would be crucial for the success of any deal. Investors need to be convinced of the potential returns and the feasibility of modernizing the sector. Thirdly, there are legal and political complexities to navigate. The regulatory environment in Ukraine can be challenging, with numerous laws and regulations that must be adhered to. Any deal would need to comply with Ukrainian law and be ratified by the Ukrainian parliament. This process can be lengthy and requires thorough understanding and negotiation. There is also the risk of corruption and political interference. These issues can undermine the integrity of the deal and create additional hurdles for investors and operators. Overcoming these challenges would require careful planning, diplomacy, and a long-term commitment from both the United States and Ukraine. Building trust and ensuring transparency will be key to navigating these obstacles and achieving a successful partnership. The pursuit of rare earth minerals is not just an economic issue. These minerals are essential for the production of high-tech devices, electric vehicles, and renewable energy technologies. Their importance cannot be overstated. It is also a geopolitical game of chess. Nations are maneuvering to secure their supply chains and ensure their technological and economic dominance in the future. The outcome of this game will have profound implications for the global balance of power. Countries that control these resources will have a significant strategic advantage. China currently holds the dominant position in the rare earth market. It has invested heavily in mining and processing infrastructure over the past few decades. It controls the majority of the world's production and processing capacity. This dominance allows China to influence global prices and availability of these critical minerals. This gives China leverage over other countries, particularly those that are heavily reliant on rare earth elements for their high-tech industries. The tech sector, defense, and renewable energy industries are especially vulnerable. The United States and other Western countries are seeking to reduce their dependence on China. They are exploring various strategies to diversify their supply chains and secure alternative sources. They are looking for alternative sources of rare earth minerals, such as those found in Ukraine. Ukraine's untapped reserves present a significant opportunity for Western nations. A successful deal between the United States and Ukraine would shift the balance of power away from China. Such partnerships could lead to new mining projects and investments in processing facilities. It would give the United States greater control over a critical resource. This control is crucial for national security and economic stability. This, in turn, could have ripple effects throughout the global economy and security landscape. A more diversified supply chain would reduce the risk of supply disruptions and price volatility, benefiting industries worldwide. The extraction and processing of rare earth minerals have significant environmental impacts. These impacts need to be carefully considered. Mining operations can damage ecosystems, pollute water sources, and release harmful toxins into the environment. The chemicals used in the processing of rare earth elements can also be hazardous if not handled properly. It is essential that any mining operations in Ukraine adhere to the highest environmental standards. This includes minimizing waste, using environmentally friendly technologies, and properly disposing of hazardous materials. Failure to do so could have devastating consequences for Ukraine's environment and the health of its people. The pursuit of rare earth minerals also raises important ethical considerations. It is crucial to ensure that the extraction of these resources benefits the people of Ukraine and does not come at the expense of human rights or good governance. There is a risk that corrupt officials could exploit mining deals for personal gain. This could deprive the Ukrainian people of the economic benefits of their natural resources. It is essential that any deal between the United States and Ukraine be transparent and accountable. Civil society organizations and independent monitors should be involved in overseeing the process. This will help ensure that the deal is fair and equitable for all parties involved. Rare earth elements are essential for the technologies that are shaping the 21st century. The competition to secure access to these resources is intensifying. This competition has the potential to reshape global power dynamics and create new alliances and rivalries. The outcome of this competition will have far-reaching consequences. It will determine which countries control the technologies of the future and shape the global order. The United States, China, and other major powers are all vying for position in this new landscape. The stakes are high and the outcome is far from certain. One thing is clear: the future will be shaped by those who control the rare earths.